Hi all, decided to do some little recording because I don't know what I'm doing, but it's my first time buying self color hair dye. I bought the Aprilskin turn up color cream. Oh no, you can't see. Cinnamon butter. Can you see? No. Cinnamon butter color. So because I think my hair is mid to long, I bought 2 boxes. And so I'll show you what's in it. So inside it you have the first and second bottle, which the instruction says to mix it up. And then just a minute, let me put it down here. Many things. So the first and second bottle, and then it comes with a dyeing hairbrush thing, and this is the what you can see I have on. I assume it's for the ears, to protect the ears, and some like little, I don't know what are they, earmuffs. I don't know what they for. And then there's this apron like thing that I can put over to protect my shirt from stain. And then there's a pair of gloves in it as well. I'm not gonna open this because I've already opened the first set. And then there's also this third part of the formula, which is like a moisturizer, I think. A lot of this is in Korean, so I can't really understand it. Anyways, okay, so I just watched the Brad Mondo video just now, and he says to brush your hair through. I've done a bit of brushing already, but I will brush it again. My hair is really thick, so I kind of have to make sure there are no knots in it. Just making sure there are no knots in it. According to Brad Mondo, split my hair into 4 sections. So down the center. Oh, I can't really see behind, but let's just assume it's right. Yeah. All the way down the center, to the left and to the right. Okay, and the apex of the head, is it the highest point of the head? Down, behind my ear. Oh wait, I lost it. The highest point of my head. Okay, put the earmuffs and just came off. Whatever. I don't think I need them anyway. I don't see people really using them. I can't see. Is my hair in the bubble button? Okay, I'm gonna have this. I'm done parting my hair, left this one part here that I'm going to stop because the instruction says to mix part 1 into part 2. Okay. So part 2 is, I don't think you can see, but there's like cream up till this level. And then part 1. Silk. I really don't know what I'm doing. I've only ever colored dyed my hair once in the salon, and this is my second time dyeing my hair, and I'm doing this on my own. Let's hope I don't waste it. So mix part 1. I'm so scared. Mix part 1 into part 2. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, actually I have 2 sets to mix, so I'll be back once I've done the mixing and I'll show you. Okay, so this is after I've mixed both sets of bottles. This is the amount I get. Hopefully it's enough for my hair. This is the color, purplish grayish, I don't know. I thought I bought cinnamon brown, but okay, this is the color it is. I'm so scared, I dare not try. Okay. So I'm going to start with my wet portion of hair first. Let me just do a patch test, allergic patch test. I have no idea. How long am I supposed to wait for the patch test? Oh well. Okay. Let's start. Brad Mondo says to start from the middle section down before doing the roots. But then, oh shoot, do I do the roots of each section? Okay, follow. First, before doing all 4 sections. Oh well. I'm scared. That's me chickening out. So after chickening out, I finally decided to give it a go and actually do it.
looking at my facial expression, you can probably tell how difficult it was to apply the dye. Okay, technically now, I'm just waiting for 30 minutes to be out. I really feel very frightened. I think I messed up. I don't even know if I got my roots. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. My hair is so dark, I can't really see if I've even did it right. If it's horrible, I just hope the color isn't too obvious. Okay, let's just wait after 30 minutes. Hi, so I just showered. As I don't know if it's just me, but I think there is some difference. Like you can see some light brownish there on my hair. I haven't checked if it's really evenly spread out, but there's some brown tint to it. I mean, now it looks quite okay, but I will dry my hair, style it, or check it thoroughly and be back. So okay, I just blow dry my hair, but I didn't like style or anything because I'm not going out anyways. Yeah, you can see the brown, but I'm not really sure if it's even. I don't think it is because I just piak all over the place, simply spreading it. So I'm sorry. Although I tried following Brad Mondo's tutorial, I probably don't have the right technique in spreading the dye out. So, but this is the end product. Under some lighting, it looks a bit brownish, and that's all for today. Bye.